Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this stunning 2019 Citroen Berlingo 1.5 multi-purpose vehicle, finished in grey metallic. A lovely spec on it. You can tell it's been really well looked after. Quite stylish wheel trims on there. Side doors sliding. Loads of space in the boot, but if you need any extra, with these, the back seats fold down, giving you even more. Also simple to just push back up. You also got a handle there. Just in over 22,500 miles. It's immaculate inside, full service history. You've got touchscreen with Bluetooth and mirror link, Android Auto, cruise control there, and buttons on the steering wheel for the Bluetooth, front electric windows. Really is spot on multi-purpose vehicle. So many uses, whether it be a family car or if you take bikes away, anything. And if you'd like to take it for a test drive yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.